Another group, Allah says, Shuhada. Under the Shuhada there is an area. And under that it is the Salihin. Samajh rahe ho? Shelf. Top shelf, bottom shelf. Now between the top shelf and bottom shelf there is a space. Right? There is a pedestrian. And वो लोग कुछ वैसा लगता है कि मैं किसी कब्रिस्तान में खड़ा हूँ. है ना? There is a space. I want to tell you about that space. What is that space? What is that space? You say, oh, four group, Anbiya, Siddiqeen, Shuhada, Salihin. ये तो आसान है. लेकिन उनके दरमियान में क्या चीज है? बताऊँ आपको. 7 days before the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam left this physical dunya, 7 दिन हुजूर के विसाल शरीफ इस दुनिया से पर्दा फरमाने से पहले सैयदना अबू बकर सिद्दीक से बात करना कम करना. Whenever the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to have special moments with Allah, Hadith Al-Qudsi says, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, "Li ma'allahi waqtun." There are special moments that I enjoy with my Rabb. Huzur farmate hain, "Li ma'allahi waqtun la yas'uni malakun muqarrab wala nabiyyun mursal." I enjoy some special moments with my Creator that no close angel or no exalted prophet is privileged with. What happens in that union and what happens in that meeting with Allah or sitting with Allah, nobody knows. Dene wala janta hai, lene wala janta hai. What Allah gave, Allah knows. What the Nabi took, the Nabi knows. Nobody else knows. But the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam used to inform Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq, only the one Sahabi of the entire Sahaba fraternity, that I had an experience with my Allah. Stop. What was the experience? Nothing was true. All he said, I had an experience with Allah. When the words came out, I had an experience with my Rabb. There was a transfer of power and light. Only those words that came out from the Nabi penetrated the existence of one Sahabi, Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq. उससे उनकी रूह, उनका जसद, उनका क़ल्ब, उनकी आज़ा रोशन हो गए. If the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, Abu Bakr, I had an experience and this what happened, then Sayyidina Abu Bakr would have burned off that direct radiation from the words of the Nabi. He would have burned. All he said is, I have experience. 7 days before the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, before leaving this dunya, that silsila stopped. There was no communication. The Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam did not mention anything after the 7 days before he left this dunya. Why? Because the special moments became so frequent that if he opened his mouth, the radiation was so intense and the energy was so powerful, it would have burnt him by the first word. Because why? The Mahbub was being prepared to go to his original abode. And what is the original abode? No, is there anyone closer to Allah than Sayyiduna wa Moulana Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? No one. So he is going to that divine proximity to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So the rays and radiation and beams and tajalli was intensified. Due to that which which he absorbed and he withheld in himself, he became Abdul Bashar Ba'd al-Anbiya. He became the highest ranking human being after Prophet of Allah. And the second reason is between the high pedestal stage 1 or the first shelf or the first category, the Prophet, to the second category, there is a region which is known as Maqamul Asrar, a region of divine secrets. The place is full, that shelf is full, is packed with what? With divine secrets. And the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, he put those secrets and informed Sayyidina Abu Bakr of those secrets that no other human or no other Siddiq ever knows of. That's how his status was raised to the maqam of Afdalul Bashar Ba'd al-Anbiya. Itna Allah ne unka maqam बढ़ाया, इतना बढ़ाया कि जब तक हुजूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम बक़ैद हयात थे तो साया बनकर सैयदना अबू बकर सिद्दीक रहे। जब दुनिया से पर्दा गए तो अपने साथ में लिटाए। ये मकाम तो उनको नसीब है, उनको मुबारक सैयदना अबू बकर सिद्दीक, क्योंकि अल्लाह जानता है कि मेरे सिद्दीक को बुरा भला कहने वाले आएंगे। लिहाजा अल्लाह ने उनको महबूब की पहलू में डाला कि कोई अगर महबूब की बारगाह में हाजिर होकर महबूब पर सलाम अर्ज करेंगे तो सिद्दीक के सामना होगा। कि जब तक सिद्दीक को सलाम नहीं करोगे रसूलुल्लाह सलाम का जवाब भी नहीं देगा। बताऊं मकाम? मैं बताऊं? These are only the elementary introduction. 1 घंटा हो गया होगा। आगे बढ़ो। हाँ, इससे आगे कहाँ जा सकता हूँ? आप ऊपर चले जाओ। ठीक है, सुनो। लोग कहते हैं, people say that is not the correct sequence of khulafa. Let me explain to you why Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq is the first Khalifa and why Sayyidina Ali is the fourth Khalifa. You can't say, no, he's supposed to be the first one. They don't recognize the other. The sequence of Khilafa, let me explain to you. Shaykh, वो जो मुस्तनद बेवकूफ जाहिल जंगली अबू जहल की औलाद वो नहीं जानती। मैं समझाता हूँ। Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala, before he embraced Islam, उन्होंने ख्वाब देखा, he dreamt. At that time he was a trader. He used to go to Syria, up and down Syria, trading. At that time the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam had not as yet announced his prophethood. There is a difference on receiving prophethood and announcing prophethood. I know of teachers and even some female teachers and apas in the madrasas, muallimas and the muallims, they say, the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam became a prophet at the age of 40. तुम बच्चे को कुफर सिखाते हो? उससे पहले रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम क्या नबी नहीं थे? कुन्तु नबिय्यन व आदम बैन al-ma'i wat-tin, or kama qala an-nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He says, I was a prophet when before Adam alayhi salam was still in a dough form. It was between water and sand, meaning he was not even created. Prophet from that time. We're coming back to that point I left you there, that Moulana Hidayat Rasul was speaking about time. I moved away from there. I'll bring you back there. मैं जानता हूँ कहाँ छोड़ गया. ठीक है. So I would like to rectify that belief that the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not become a prophet at the age of 40. He announced his prophethood at the age of 40. And he was a prophet from time immemorial, only Allah knows. From the time he was created, from the first bang, from the first explosion of divine radiation. He was a Nabi. Until when will he be a Nabi? When you go inside Jannah, it will be also in the period of the Nabi's Nubuwwah. Jannah, the original abode, वो हुजूर के ज़माने का है. जब मौलाना साहब ने आज की थी, तो एक वहाबी खड़ा हुआ. उसने कहा, passed away that time, his time they finished. This is a different time. मौलाना हिदायत रसूल ने पूछा, ये जो वक्त है क्या तेरा बाबा का वक्त है? किसका वक्त? तेरा बाबा का है? उसने कहा, बे गधे, ये भी वक्त हुजूर का है. कल जो गुजर गया हुजूर का जमाना था, ये हुजूर का जमाना है. कल भी हुजूर का जमाना है. कम वक्त तेरा नसीब जहन्नम है, हमारा नसीब जन्नत है. वो भी हुजूर का जमाना, वो भी हुजूर का जमाना. Time, you cannot understand time. There is no such thing in reality as time. You know that? We are only restricted to time as human beings. When you go to Jannah, what time? Like 4 time, 5 time. It's a timeless and spaceless zone. So your reality is the place where you were created, was created. A place which is known as timeless and spaceless. Your origin. Therefore, to understand the dynamics of human being, of an individual human being, Imam Ghazali, when he wrote Qimya-i-Sa'ada, a masterpiece, a thick volume like that. When he opened the first page, he quotes that hadith. He says, "Man arafa nafsa, faqad arafa rabba." One who understands himself has understood his creator. That is you. Who? Inni ja'ilun fil ardi khalifa. Allah made you a khalifa. You know that? Every human being with iman is a khalifa of Allah. In reality. Let's go back to the point. मैं क्या कह रहा था आपसे? हुजूर ने ऐलान फरमाया. He announced his prophethood at the age of 40. Before the announcement of prophethood, Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala had a dream. Very worried. He did not mention this dream to anyone. Kept it in his heart. You know what was the dream? He dreams that there is a fire, a trench of fire, a hole, burning fire. That side of the trench is his mother and father. This side of the trench is the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Abu Bakr Siddiq is on this side of the fire. And the Nabi is calling him towards him. Calling Abu Bakr, come by me. His father, his parents, said, no, don't go there, you come by us. And to get to them, he has to go through the fire. Now how is he going to go through the fire? This was a dream. He was very worried. What is this dream? जब आप लोग थक जाएंगे ना, जब तक when you uठाए, tell me. जब हुजूर का जिक्र करता हूँ तो मैं थकता नहीं. जब आप थक जाएंगे तो मुझे बता दीजिए. But he kept it in his heart and he went. This was worrying him. He met Bahira in a place known as Busra. Not Basra. Basra is in Iraq. Busra is in Syria. And that was a point, at one station where the caravans used to stop. It was a Christian church. They existing for many, many years. That building was built in the time of the Romans. That building was 5,000 years old. I went and saw it. Even the door is made of solid rock. The hinge is made of solid rock. Door is so thick rock. And this Bahira, who was a monk, he read the scriptures of the Christian scriptures, and he was sitting there on one minara on the roof, awaiting the arrival of the promised prophet. Zamana guzar gaya, buddha ho gaya. Every caravan coming from Arabia